Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If this is your first time here, I'd love to have you subscribe. So today we're installing the trim on my 69 Bronco. Got it all done up the sides. All I got left is the tailgate. So if you've never installed a trim like this, there's an assortment of different kind of clips. These little white ones here go on with a rivet. I got two on already. And the bigger ones, there's two different style clips. These go inside the trim, twist to the side. This little tail kind of holds it tight. It just bolts in through the hole. So I'll put a couple on here for you here. There's little tabs on these. You can see it there. This little flat tab that's sticking up, that goes against the paint. And this section here is what grabs onto the belt line trim. So you put it in like a regular rivet, put it in your gun, simple as that. Now I just had this all repainted, so I had to go in each of these holes with a little round file, clean out the paint, any kind of body filler they have in there. So for the rivets, now we go on to the bolt style with a little tail. So as you can see, this tail sticking up, goes in and rotates, and then the tail goes underneath the lip to hold that tight. So you sit this on the top of the clips and then rotate it down in. It should snap when it grabs the bottom of the clip. Just like that. Don't be afraid to give a little smack. Now we just got to tighten up the bolts. There we are, all finished. All right, so we're moving on to the emblems. Also blacked out. It's gonna look pretty cool, right? But again, I'm gonna clean out these holes. They got paint and some filler in them, and the pegs from the back of the emblems won't fit in there. So back to work with the file. When I get this all done and I know they're gonna fit, I'm gonna go back in there with a little bit of primer and some paint, just so it doesn't get rusty in there. And here's what I'm opening up for. These little plastic inserts that go in the hole. And then the peg on the back of the emblem goes inside that little insert. All right, here we go. Trim's all on. Satin black door handles, mirrors, both from Wild Horses. Satin black Bronco Sport. Got that from Dennis Carpenter. She looks sweet. Windshield goes in this week. Then the interior. Right now we're just rhino lined. I do have the floor liner for it. Fresh coat of paint on the dash. Alright guys, that's it for this time. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.